In this video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Pluto TV on Smart TV. So with this, on this article, we can see the authorized Pluto TV platforms. For the Amazon, we have in here Amazon Fire TV, and the likes, as well as Fire tablets. Now, for the Google, we have Android OS Mobile, Android TV, which is also considered a Smart TV. And we also have Hisense, LG, and we also have Roku right here. So this means that it's available on most smart TVs since it's actually available on Android TVs. So what you can do is you can go over to your Google Play Store and search for Pluto TV and proceed to actually install it if it's available. So just click on the install icon that will appear, and once you're in there, you just need to log in into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet, and then proceed to actually watch videos or movies onto the Pluto TV itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.